is the 5 o'clock traffic on Monday, and people are trying to get on and off campus. They're going back to work. It's raining, and everything's a little problematic right now. Well, it's kind of clear here on our side because mostly down there it's just like apartments and buildings, businesses. Everybody is trying to get back home because the suburban area is like down that way. That's where most people live. And my fellow students are trying to get off campus. It is very problematic weather during rush hour, which lasts until 7 or 8 p.m. Normally when it gets like this, I just stay on campus until 9 p.m. I have to stay on campus until 9 p.m. anyways. And it's so problematic. The light hasn't changed. I need it to change. I'm almost late for class. My clock is 3 minutes slow. Look at this. It's congested. It's problematic, like I keep saying. People are trying to get in and out, and everything's kind of going a little slowly. But just try not to be a dick to people. Oh, look, the rain's actually letting up a little. You know, earlier I was actually, when turning into the campus, I was still out on the street because the line was really long and congested, and I don't understand why things weren't going forward and fast, but I guess because nobody can find parking and it's hard to get in and out. Look at this congestion. Wonderful, wonderful congestion. So wonderful. I'm gonna turn this off now. I need a park.